replacement Sylvain Gintley on the Suzuki. Happy Siren, the bastard brute. He's that Davizioso as well? Unbelievable! Fire from the Ducati. Down he went, on the back of the Ducati. Clapton didn't believe it. They're trying to get that bike out. They're looking to Davizioso now. I hope he's okay because he looked hurt. Nowhere to get into the air. He's rolled through the tarmac run off quite a few times there. I just wonder if we might see a red flag here if they can't get the Fabio Quartararo. A shocker for Andrea Davizioso. Marc Marquez now has well, a Honda, Yamaha, Suzuki at the sharp end of this one then as they now has back straight into Brooklyn from Rossi and Rings with Vinales then following Morbidelli clattered into Quartararo end of this one then as they now head around into the air. He's rolled through the tarmac run off quite a few times there. I just wonder if we might see a red flag here if they can't give a Fabio Quartararo. A shocker for Andrea Davizioso. Marc Marquez now has back straight into Brooklyn from Rossi and Rings with Vinales then following Morbidelli clattered into. They now head around Maggots and Beckett's. The high side, down he went, all the back of the Ducati. Clapton didn't believe it. They're trying to get that bike out. They're looking to Davizioso now. I hope he's okay because he looked hurt. Quartararo's down! Is that Davizioso as well? Unbelievable! Fire from the Ducati. The high side, down he went, all the back of the Ducatis. Clapton didn't believe it. They're trying to get that bike out. They're looking to Davizioso now. I hope he's okay because he looked hurt. Nowhere to push into the air. He's rolled through. Just wonder if we might see a red flag here if they can't get the Fabio Quartararo. A shocker for Andrea Davizioso. Marc Marquez now has back straight into Brooklyn from Rossi and Rings with Vinales then following Morbidelli clattered into Quartararo's Yamaha. He's on the stretcher. Well, a Honda, Yamaha, Suzuki at the sharp end of this one then. The tarmac run off quite a few times there. I just wonder if we might see a red flag here if they can't get a Fabio Quartararo. A shocker for Andrea Davizioso. Marc Marquez now has into the air. He's rolled through the tarmac run off quite a few times there. I just wonder if we might see a red flag here if they can't get a Fabio Quartararo. A shocker for Andrea Davizioso. Marc Marquez now has they can't get a Fabio Quartararo. A shocker for Andrea Davizioso. I just wonder if we might see a Andrea Davizioso. Marc Marquez now has back straight into Brooklyn from Rossi and Rings with Vinales then following Morbidelli clattered into Quartararo's Yamaha. He's on the stretcher. Here we go. Brilliant start from Marquez from Poli. Unbelievable! Fire from the Ducati. The high side, down he went. All the factory Ducatis. Clapton didn't believe it. They're trying to get that bike out. They're looking to Davizioso now. I hope he's okay because he looked hurt. Andrea Davizioso. Marc Marquez now has back straight into Brooklyn from Rossi and Rings with Vinales then following Morbidelli clattered into Davizioso is on your whip for that. The checkers love you now here in Mugello. What's going to happen? Oh, it is! Petrucci's done it! Petrucci's dream is realised! He is a
satu. Kasih air. Nah, kali gigit.